Hey, what's up guys, Jaden here, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking up some Prime Tri-Tip I bought from Costco. It's called Tri-Tip because it has 3 points, as you can see. We're going to be seasoning it up with some kosher salt, freshly cracked black pepper, and garlic powder. Now place it in your favorite vacuum sealing bag and seal it up. Now place it in your water bath at your desired temp. I'm going for medium rare, so 131 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm cooking it for 20 to 24 hours. Now that our tri-tip is out of the bag, we're going to take it out and sear it. It may not look that good right now, but after we sear it in a nice screaming hot cast iron skillet, it will look amazing. Watch this. Now just slice it against the grain and enjoy this beautiful medium rare, juicy, and tender tri-tip. That's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, please smash that subscribe button and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.